Hello friend, one more problem came in the drill test 7. Let us see what the problem is. The correct order of basic strength. Okay. So they are the compound of the nitrogen, student, and we know that is the basicity of the compound of nitrogen is depending on the more basic, okay, more basic strength proportional to more availability of lone pair electron, okay, lp electron on nitrogen, lone pair electron on what, student? Nitrogen. Now you see which one will be the possibilities, student. So directly I am doing from the question. Wherever the nitrogen atom is there, 3 bond is there, means there is lone pair electron. Here is also lone pair electron will be there. Here is also lone pair and here is also lone pair. Okay, try to understand, friend. Okay, so when you are going for the, you see, this is the electron donor group. Okay, first condition, electron donor group, and they are all single bond. So all are the single bond, and this is the electron donor also. So what you are going to see, that is two character. Firstly you see that is s character. Here is the 25%. Okay, so s character is less because all are the single bond. And secondly, this is electron donor group, so the most basic will be the r. Okay, most basic will be r. Again I am telling you, student, ch3 is the having the plus I group, plus I. So plus I means what is the plus I? It will the electron donor group. So basic strength of the r will be highest. Now let us move for the another one. When you are going for the other C, what you can go, if you see the q and p, okay, you try to see q and p and s also. Here is the in s electron withdrawing group, so it cannot be answer. Here is the single alternate bond is there, so it will go in a resonance. Okay, resonance. So resonance, due to resonance, it is the also less basic. So q is there because of here is single bond, this only one double bond is there. I think q here is no. Okay, so what you are finding, friend, here you are finding that is no resonance is there, and one side is double single bond is there. So most basic will be, after that it will be, that is q will come. Okay, now let us go for the next one. What is less? p and s. If you see, student, p, here resonance is there and here is electron negative atom is there. So electron negative atom means it will withdraw the electron. Okay, so if it is withdrawing the electron, so what will happen, that is the, here availability of lone pair electron will be least. But here it is involving the resonance, but it is also the ring is what, electron rich. The ring is also the electron rich. So what will happen, that much of lone pair electron cannot withdraw by the ring. So that is r, then q, then it will come p, compared to finally this will come s. Because of the oxygen here, it will withdraw the electron, so the least availability of the lone pair electron will be there on the q. So that is why this is the order. Now you say which option is matching, rqps. RQPS. So RQPS. So option number 2 is correct, student. You try to again and again you try to go. That is, for that you match with S character also. You check with the S character. Okay, S character, and then you try to understand, that is electron plus I and a minus I. Plus I increases the basic strength. Okay, that we know, and my minus I decreases. Okay, up now this is the more stronger factor, minus I. So lone pair will be compared to resonance, minus I will be preferred one. So this will be the S. Okay, S will be the least basic. So this is all about the option number, that is, this is the question number, I think 52. So this is question number 52. So correct option is option number B. Hello, good evening, friend. Here the question number 46. For inorganic benzene B3N3S6, which one is wrong statement? So they have given B3N3S6, that is inorganic benzene, that is also known as boragine. So 4 options they have given and they are asking which is wrong. So only 6 sp2 sigma bond and 3 p-pi coordinate bond, that is okay. And boron, when you are talking about, that is B number option 12, sp2 sigma bond and 3 p-pi coordinate bond. Okay, C number 6 sp2 sigma bond and 6 sp2s sigma bond, and D number 6 sp2 sigma bond and 6 sp2s sigma bond and 3 p pi coordinate bond. So dear friend, here you see this is the coordinate bond, 3 p pi, here is coordinate bond, okay, and here is coordinate bond. So these three option is there. So for coordinate bond no need to check, okay. What we need to check here is, if you talk about this one in short trick we are applying, here is 6 sp2 sigma bond, here is also, so this is also take, means we have to go for this one sp2 sigma bond, and we have to check how many sp2 sigma bond is possible. So let us go with the, these are, we for the coordinate bond we cannot say anything. Coordinate bond is correct, coordinate bond is correct, sigma sp2s bond is correct, because two options are there and both cannot be wrong, okay. So now here for the coordinate bond all the three it is given, means these three cannot be your wrong, okay. So how we will decide the option we will decide by the sp2 sigma bond. So let us see the, with the help of structure, let us try to understand, friend. If you want to see the structure, student, what is that is B3 N3 and H6 is there, okay, inorganic benzene. So here you see, so if you want to put the boron atom in the center, okay, alternate boron and nitrogen atom we have to put, because 3 boron and 3 nitrogen atoms are there, so alternate we have to put. So here if it's boron is there, so alternately here nitrogen will come, here is nitrogen will come, and then again what will come, boron, and here is boron will come, and finally here is nitrogen will come. Now 6 hydrogen are there, so with each with atom, that is 1 hydrogen atom we have to put, hydrogen. So here is also downside one more hydrogen will go, and here is all the places hydrogen is there. Now when you want to see the other things, that is how many bond will be there, here will the alternate, it is just like the structure is just like benzene, so alternate single and double bond is there. Dear friend, if you want to see that is boron is the 5, so how much will come, 1s2 2s2 and 2p, how much is coming, 2p1, so 2 2 4 1 5. So this is the boron. If you see, this one will go in excited state, so if it is going excited state, student, so what will be there, this will come into sp1 2p2. So let us see the configuration here, the distribution 1 and here is 1. So here is the one deficient is there, and here is one orbital is vacant. If you talk about nitrogen 7, student, 1s2 2s2 2p, how much will come, is to 2 2 4 4 3 7, okay. So what will happen, student, here if you see, here you see this one is there, this is the double bond, and here is the nitrogen is there, so here is 1 1 1, this is there. Now what we can conclude from this configuration, if you see this configuration, friend, so here is the, they will do the sharing, here is the it is sharing and it is sharing 3 unpaired, so it will give sp2, okay, and this is also, it will go on, if it is sending excited, so here p orbital will be the paired up, okay, here in the nitrogen, case of nitrogen. So what will happen here, student, what will happen, this is also we are sending, this is also sp2, okay. So nitrogen and there is the, if you talking about the boron, both we are sending for the sp2. So what is there, this lone pair electron is there, student, this lone pair electron in the excited state, what will happen, this will be there. So what will happen, this will form the coordinate bond, okay. So this is, one is coordinate because one is vacant and one is lone pair, that simple you try to understand. Other is sp2. Now how to understand, one coordinate bond is there, so how many, if you talk about the how many coordinate bond is possible, okay. So if you check the coordinate bond, that is 3 coordinate bond is possible, because 3 nitrogen atom, 3 coordinate bond, so this is option, this one is coordinate bond is correct. But now let us go for the sigma bond. So if you see the how many unpaired electron, 1 2 3, and here is also 1 2 3 unpaired electron is there. So if you are and sp2 hybrid orbital sp2, and here is also it is going sp2. Okay, because here you see one s orbital sp1 no, here is one s orbital and 2p. Okay, s1 it is there, s1 and 2p2. So you see here, you can see, student, this is also going what hybridization sp2, and this is also sp2. Up now how many hybrid orbital is possible? So 3 nitrogen atom, so 3 sp2 and 3 boron atom, again 3 sp2. So total number how much is possible? 6 sp2 and sp2 sigma bond. Okay, because each is having the 3 possible. So 3, okay, 3, if you talk about this friend, that is 3. Okay, so if you talk about this, so sp2 is possible how many friend? This one is 6 is possible. And when you are doing this one, all atom is going sp2. Here is also sp2, this is also sp2. If you see, this is also all boron and nitrogen is going sp2. So if they are going sp2, how many possible? This is possible 6. Okay, now let us see, check other. So here option, if you are going, that is 12 sp2 sigma bond and 3. Okay, and here is 6 sp2. Here is also only 6 sp2. So these 3 are, 4 are. So the correct option should be option number B, student. Correct option should be, I think option they have given the D number, but D is not correct option. Why? That is, if you are going for the D number, friend, D number 6 is correct, sp2. That is, here is 2 to 4 to 6. Okay, according to structure, only 6 is sp2 sigma bond is possible. 12 is not possible, because here is sp2 this is hydrogen s. So 6 sp2s is possible, but 12 is not possible. Okay, so that is option number B is correct. Okay, friends.